Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original one and only the guy from Pittsburgh. And this is Burgh unboxing, but it didn't come in a box. This comes from somewhere. Where's this come from? LaGrange, Ohio. No idea where that is. So, thank you, Zoe, for the card. And the card from last year. Maybe I need this. Well, anyway, 31st, Marty gets his gift packages. They're sitting up there waiting to go in a box. And Lucky Farrell's gets hers for those kitties. I still have to go get some stuff for that. I have the box in the bedroom, though. It's ready to go, except I need some treats. So, this thing is, the tape is tough in this one. With this one, whatever. Okay, make sure I don't cut off my finger. Here we go. This is very strong tape in this bag, whatever they put on here. This is a very sharp knife. Be careful. And this will mean I won't have to screw around with the other keyboard as much. Very careful with this one. Okay, now. This was thanks to a loan from a fan and friend in the frozen tundra back east. So, thank you, fan and friend in the frozen tundra. And there we go. Now we have the bag done. And UltraSim wireless RF keyboard for Mac. Clavier Sans Fil RF Ultra Mince. A mince minky. For poor Mac. Teclado inalámbrico RF Ultra Fino para Mac. Para ustedes. Okay. There it is. And there's the back. And has yet another dongle. So let's open this up. This is brand new, never opened. So let's pop this thing open. I'm excited. It's something new. I can use this in my videos for the first time ever. The title of the video. Alright. Oh, more tape. There's got more tape here. There's more tape, folks. More tape than one man can stand. Okay, hold on. There's tape here. There's tape here. To make sure you ain't gonna break this sucker open. I want to tell you. Okay. I have some older Mac keyboards. When I buy the adapter, the ADB adapter, I can use those in emergency. It's going to come next year. No, still more tape. Boy, they didn't fool around with this thing at the factory. Finally, he wrestles the box to the ground. The box fights back. And the card just fell off. Last year's card. Okay. I'm just going to put Mr. Penguin down there. Okay. I'm not complaining, Zoe. No. Okay, we have in here secret gift. 1 year extra warranty on us. We have 14 days. I don't, and then on the 15th day, do I go like, ugh? And that's the end of me. We'll find out about the secret gift. I don't know what that is. This is a brand new keyboard, by the way. So we'll have to look up the secret gift later. And we have a little keyboard user guide with pictures, hardware basics. Wonder if a lightsaber came with a user guide. There you go. There's that. I'll look at that later too. I've had Macalli keyboards before. And then here's the inside of the box. The back of the keyboard's very shiny. I think I will keep this on there. Oh, and here is the. And think about this. It's not wireless. Well, it's wireless, but here's the charging cable. Here is the little dongle. And here's the top. I think I showed you the top of the box. So there's the top of the box. Keep the box. Alright, it says here the serial number and all that. So let's see. You just push a button to turn it on. There's a button there. Very nice keys. I'll keep that on there. It'll keep it clean for a while. Alright, and let's see if... I don't know. Oh, it's got one of these little tiny Ziploc bags that I can never get open because they're too tiny for my arthritic fingers. By the way, my friend Curtis had broke his big toe, so I hope he gets better soon. I've been there. I broke both toes in my foot 3 times. Twice in my left foot, once in my right. I tripped each time. Long story with the table I was carrying when I was 14. Broke all the toes in my foot. All the toenails. They all were removed except one surgically. It was hanging, and then I broke my leg in 8 places. Okay, we're going to put this dongle in my hub, my 4-thing hub. I have ones that are 8, and I have the ones that's lighted that I can't find anymore. I really like it. Every little port is light up in different colors. Red and green and yellow and blue and purple. Let's see here. Isn't that cooperate? Alright, a little dongle here. Little tiny dongle. Okay, it's in there now. Your keyboard cannot be identified. Press to the right of the shift key on the left side of the keyboard that can't be identified. Well, can't identify it, how are they going to know? Ah, there we go. It's on. Nice green light. See? There we go. That's the right key to the right of shift key. That doesn't make sense. Oh, left. Okay. Wait a minute. Press the key to the right of the shift key on the left side of the keyboard that can't be identified. Now, how do you do that? Oh. It's the Z key. I didn't see that. No, can't see what I am. Can't. Logic is not applying here. Okay. All right, we got it. We had to hit the question mark key. And done. WAP. Let's see if it works. Hold on. We will try it on the video I just did. Yay! It works. I have a wireless keyboard. I don't have to charge it in the sun and have it constantly go out. I think I got a bad keyboard from Logitech. Because it keeps running out of power. So thank you, my mystery friend back east, who I don't want to reveal that person's name, his name. And we will type in. This is really weird. I just took a screenshot of something. Oh, it's today, Tuesday. Yes, it works. So, Yay! All right, beautiful. So we have a working Macaulay, Macaulay. I don't know. I'm assuming it's Macaulay. We have a working wireless keyboard. Oh, by the way, there's the charging thingy. So I no longer have to be slave to the solar keyboard. I've got an extra keyboard, thank God. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Now, by the way, one thing I have a problem with Apple. I wish they'd put in like 2 or 3 more hubs on the back.